Are you looking at that wall right now? Yeah, that one right there, and wishing you could just knock it down to create your dream open floor plan? Or maybe you're saving inspo posts of your favorite bathroom renos over on social. Well, before you grab that sledgehammer, let's take a look at some of the top home improvements that don't add value to your home. Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Cohen, one of the experts here at Zillow. We have data-backed research led by industry pros to break down the homeownership journey so you can feel empowered and excited to take on anything. The best part of owning your home is the ability to make it your own. Whether you're a minimalist, a maximalist, or somewhere in between, it's an expression and extension of you and your life. When dreaming of home renovations and improvements, it's also smart to consider resale value if you plan to sell in the future. Simple upgrades like making your home cleaner, safer, and more functional might yield a greater return on investment, whereas big budget renovations or upgrades might not add the value you'd hoped for. Let's take a look at some home improvements that might not give you the return you expect. All the data and numbers in this video are backed by Zillow research, so you can feel confident with your home upgrade choices. 1. Turning your kitchen into a wonderland of white. While white kitchens used to be the hottest trend, today's buyers prefer darker tones like charcoal and graphite. Spending on a wonderland of white could actually lower your home's sale price. If you're not selling your house anytime soon, go wild and make it your own. But if there's a slight chance you might sell it in the future, you might want to think about other options or saving that money for something else. 2. Adding a deck. Decks can be fabulous for morning coffee, and I do love mine. They're also great for hanging out with family and friends, but the return on the money you dropped might not meet your expectations. A wood deck typically costs around $17,000, but it might only add about $8,500 to your home sale price. If you're into dinner parties and outdoor entertaining, a deck might still be worth it, but just don't count on it to fully recoup the costs. The cost is even higher for composite materials, and the return even lower, just 40%. One thing to consider is if the deck improves the view from your property, it could make the home more attractive to buyers when or if you go to sell. 3. Installing an in-ground swimming pool. Pools can be quite the indulgent upgrade, but they come at a high cost, a cost you might not see much of a return on. On average, installing a pool costs around $23,000, and that's before adding the fencing, the landscaping, and the floating unicorn. Homes with saltwater pools only sell for about $5,200 more than comparable ones without one, and while home buyers might love a pool, myself included, other folks might see it as a liability or a maintenance nightmare. So if you're not a pool person, that's okay. I still love you. It might just not be the right investment for you. There are likely other projects that would make a higher return for the same amount of money. 4. Creating a luxury bathroom. Renovating your bathroom can be one of the priciest upgrades you can take on. Even a simple bathroom remodel can set you back more than $20,000. And the more luxury features you add, the less money you'll make back. A mid-range remodel at $24,000 typically recoups about 67% of its cost, but upscale remodels might only get you around 37%. So if you're going to remodel, maybe skip the bidet and the gold clawfoot tub. Less is more when it comes to adding resale value in this department. 5. Laminate countertops. Upgrading your countertops can truly transform and elevate the kitchen or baths in your home. While cost-effective laminate has gotten really good at mimicking expensive materials in stone, it's proven time and time again to be less than desirable for most home buyers. On average, homes with laminate countertops sold for less. So if you're pining for a countertop revamp, skip the laminate and invest in something more authentic. 6. High-end fixtures. While beautiful high-end fixtures can be the icing on the cake for some, they're unlikely to sway most buyers. If you've got the money and the taste, go for it. But instead of splurging on pricey faucets or light fixtures, consider well-made, cost-effective, stylish yet neutral options to improve the resale value of your home. So there you have it, 6 home improvements that might not give you the return you're looking for. But keeping your home in good shape is just as important as making those improvements. A well-maintained home can sell for about 10% more than a home in average condition. So it's good that you're thinking this way and doing the research. We're here to help you make a plan and get more strategic about owning and caring for your home. Check out Zillow's home maintenance checklist to keep your home in tip-top shape. The link is below. And we'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or thoughts on your home improvement plans, drop them in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Zillow channel for more videos just like this one. Thanks so much for watching.